Hello friends, how are you guys doing? Today I'm back with one more favorite stock of mine, that's Google. So we'll discuss Google Alphabet Class A and Alphabet Class C. So let's just check out the things like what's going on in the stock, and I'll start by drawing a channel. So let's start. It's moving in a channel. So let's take this point over here and extend it to this point. So as you can see, it's almost moving in a channel, and the top of the channel as it's moving up is acting as a resistance, and the midline is acting as a support of Google class A, Alphabet class A, and the lower line is acting as the support. So it's taking support over here, so this is a good buy zone, and if it takes supports in the midline, then it's a perfect buy zone as well. Only thing is we have to keep our stop loss little below the midline. We can't keep the stop loss over here, we don't want to lose too much. So if we buy here, then this is the stop loss with the two or one big green candles, and then the target is going to the top of the channel. So this is the thing which I wanted to mention in the beginning. So just keep a watch of that. And now we're going to go back to our favorite thing, support and resistance lines. So let's just start with that. One second. Yeah. So yeah, let's just one second. Let me find something good for you guys. Yeah, this is one support and resistance line. This is a very good support zone for Google. So if you get it at 1487 or 1470 range, 1470 and 80 range, that's a perfect buying zone for Google Class A. Don't hesitate in buying at this level if you ever get it for any reason, any weakness in the market. Now let's see something more. Yes, this is one more support area. Okay, it's taking support over here as well. So these are the levels. So now if we're planning to buy Google, now we have to keep a stop loss below this line. Okay, if it breaks this line and goes down, then this is going to be the buying level, and we can take a short trade over here if it breaks. But all these stocks which I have mentioned previously and I keep mentioning are in nice uptrend, so let's not short them. Try to buy them at the perfect levels and with a small stop loss, because our risk is going to be small, our reward is going to be high. So that's the main thing. Now let's look at the weekly chart quickly. Let's mark the this is the resistance level actually which I'm marking. This is the resistance level. Yes, one more level over here. I'm not saying that Google will go there, but just to mark it on the chart, I'm just going ahead with that. So let's go to the monthly chart, because I like to mark all the levels on my chart and then decide what's going to happen. So that's it. I think we are done with the support and resistance. Now let's go back to the Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci retracement, and let's do it on the daily chart. I won't do it over here, somewhere between May, yeah, low of May, yes, something like, yeah, I'll just click over here, and this is going to be the high, so I'm going to mark it over here. Okay, so this is going to be the levels. These are the levels we are supposed to, be cautious at, and like we have to buy at these levels. Take this is the maximum it has reached, so it's going to come down to 23%. That's the point over here. It has retraced once already. So if it goes down at what you say, like 38% level, or 50% retracement, or 68 is 61 61% retracement level is the perfect buy zone. If it does that, I mean, don't even think of it, just buy it at this point. And the best buying level for Google Class A is 1487, 1471. In this range, 1490 is should ring a bell. Oh my God, we are near something very big. And if it touches 4100, then jump on it. Just buy Google for short time, or for short term, or long term, or medium term, with a stop loss. Your stop loss has to be small. Okay, guys, now let's see how the moving averages are going to work in Alphabet Class A. This is the 8-day moving average, and this is the 20-day moving average. This is the 13-day moving average, purple one. Pink one is 8-day, and blue is 20-day. So these are pretty small moving averages, short time frame. So Google, like, stays near them. It stays near them, so we have to keep that in mind. And this is important moving average, orange one. It's the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average. So this area becomes a very good buying level. 1585. 1585 is a wonderful buying area. And this is the 100-day moving average. So it's near the 50-day moving average. So we have to, so this support of 1585, this area is a wonderful support for Google. And the 200-day moving average is kind of just below the buying zone of 1487 or 1471. So just keep in mind these areas for the Alphabet Class A. That will be really helpful for you guys. So you know that's what I wanted to mention about all these moving averages. So that's it, and that's the most important thing about which I want to discuss about. I've already told you about the channel, and now we can go to the different Google counterpart, that is Google Class C. Okay, now let's try and draw a channel over here as well. Okay, 1 second. This is also kind of working in a channel. Yeah, so here it is. So this is the point. This is what Google is doing right now. When it was in a big uptrend, it went up. The top of the channel was acting as a resistance of Google, and the midline was acting as a support over here, over here. You can see over here, and here it broke that support. It took a support at the bottom of the channel. Now it is again crossed the midline. It is taking support at the midline. So our next target, depending on what's going to be, it's going to be around 1900. If it takes support and it goes up, if market goes up and everything is well, Corona is improving and we all are happy and and the economy is improving, then Google will definitely go up. So this is a perfect level to buy it, and you can keep this in mind, take a screenshot of this, and it'll help you out with everything. Now let's go back to the classic support and resistance levels. Yeah, this is one support, this is one more. Oops, something went wrong. Yeah, now I'm okay. So this is one support level. This is one more support level which I can see, and yeah, this is also one support level. Yes. Okay. This is one more support level. So this is the thing we have to keep in mind. Now let's go to the weekly chart. Yeah, we have more levels over here, but I'm in no way saying that it's going to come down at these levels. I'm just marking them, as I keep saying again and again. I just want to have everything crystal clear, all the buying opportunities, all the selling opportunities, with me, so that once you mark the levels, the demand zone and the supply zone. So at resistance, we just try to sell the stock, and at the support, we try to buy it. If it breaks the resistance, like it has broken the resistance over here, if it goes up and stays above the resistance, then it acts as a support, and we buy here with a small stop loss over here. Okay, so this is what I do. This is what I'd like to tell people about, and if we practice this will help us. Now let's just check on the monthly chart. I think we're pretty much done with the levels. Fibonacci retracement. Now let's draw Fibonacci and take this point as a low, and this is the high. Okay, yeah, so this is working pretty well. This is the top. This is the top it has reached. Okay, now it came back 26% from the top. It's pretty much near this support level. Then it came down to 38% from the top. Again 50%, which was a good level, good buying zone, you know. And then 61% is very much near our good support, that is of 46. No, sorry, 140 1466. Excuse me. And that's a perfect zone. And we can also mark the 61% 61% retracement zone as a good support zone. As you can see, it is a good zone. I should mark it with my support line as well. And we should keep this in mind. So yeah, this is a good support because it's good to mark it because it's matching with the Fibonacci level also. So for class C, the perfect level to buy will be around 1500, you can say, or between 1500 and 1470 is the perfect buy zone. If you can get that chance, just don't miss it for Google, and keep a small stop loss. Stop loss is everything. And once you start gaining in your trade, then keep a trailing stop loss. Like supposing you have bought at 1470, and the stock goes up to 1550, then you keep a stop loss at 1500. If it goes above to 1582, when it crosses above 1582, then you keep your stop losses at 1560. Okay, then if it keeps going up, you keep trailing your stop loss so that you protect your profit. And if it hits, you enter again some other time. So that's the most important thing. And thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I'm glad this is pure technical analysis. As we know that Google is a wonderful company, it's doing wonderfully. And thank you so much for coming here and spending time on my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. I am going to come up with a lot of good videos on technical analysis, some swing trading strategies as well, some intraday trading strategies, and some long-term strategies. I'll try to make a proper series on Fibonacci as well, so that everybody can learn technical analysis from their home and make their own choices of investment. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any request, about any stock, or you want me to analyze something for you, just mention in the comments that I've subscribed to your channel. And please, you do this stock specific analysis for me. This is my subscribers request to you, so I'll surely try to come up with the video and explain things in detail. So now let's go and check what the moving averages are going to say about the alphabet class C. Now let's first look at the 8-day moving average, then the 13-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average. So 50-day moving average is a very important support, as we all know. So it's taking support at the classic level, which we have marked already with Fibonacci, at the same time with our support and resistance levels 1582. So just remember, this level is very important for buying, and even the 100-day moving average is supporting this level. Now let's go to the 200-day moving average, and it is just above uh, the level which I have marked is, like, 1500 and 1470, in between that, 1466, 1492. If we get any opportunity of buying Google over here, and if it shows trend, then it's a no-brainer, just buy it over this here. So we have used three analysis. One is the basic support and resistance levels, and Fibonacci retracement. At the same time, the moving averages. So just keep these levels in mind, and you won't go wrong. And before taking any trade, just consult your financial advisor, and you'll do well. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful time. I hope you liked the video, and please come back again to my channel. Thank you so much.